Uingi wa atwarithia na ahuthiri a nduthi guku bururi-ini nikuo kuguciriirie maitho ma thirikari ikienda kurunga ruhonge ruru. Unyitaniri wa ministry ya ukui na ugitiri wa thiini hamwe na anyiti itemi matiganite maiguithanirie kuhe atwarithia aya a nduthi ihinda ria guthomithio o hamwe na kugia marua maria magiriire ihinda riria riagiriirwo ni guthira muthia-ini wa mweri ukite.
As of now, we have 700,000 borders in this country, and the projection is to reach 1 million. And so 1 million in a population of 40 million, it looks like there's a high capacity in terms of risk.
No kugerera kamiti ya mwanya iria ikoretwo igitongoria mihango ino, thirikari ni itikirite kuongerera ihinda riri.
The deadline of 1st February 2019 has been extended to be 1st May of 2019 just to allow them time.
No kuongererwo kwa ihinda riri ti kamwe ke maheo ga kuna mawatho.
All the border operators will be expected to obey the law. They'll be expected to ferry one passenger at a time. They'll be expected to ride motorcycles that are in good mechanical conditions, and that shall continue being enforced.
Abunge ningi nimeranire kugia na gikaro gia kwaririria mateta ma muingi megie wongerereku wa ngari cia Sienta na Probox iria ikoretwo igikua athii thengia wao gukorwo matari kirathi-ini kiu.
The Sientas, the borders were not there then, Proboxes were not there then, and therefore as Parliament we have a responsibility to work together with the executive to come up with the necessary legislative framework to take cognizance of the fact and the reality in the rural areas.
The law as it stands will continue being enforced so that those Proboxes and Sientas that are in violation of the law will be dealt with in accordance with the law that exists today.
Minister wa ugitiri Fred Matiang'i augite maundu maria makinyanirio mucemani-ini uyu magiriirwo ni kuhuthirwo bururi-ini wothe kuona maiguithanirio ni honge ciothe iria irugamiririre atwarithia a nduthi.
The entire command across the country will be briefed on the decisions we have made here and how we have agreed we are going to proceed. The task force on border continues its work. Atwarithia
a nduthi makoretwo makiorotwo ni undu wa kuna mawatho ma barabara kuona kwa ihinda iraya matikoretwo na umenyo muiganu wa mawatho maria magiriirwo ni kurumirira. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, Njĩtagwo Gathoni wa Jihia.